Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing another video of this amazing book. Wow! My name is Papa.
And my name is Gigi. A B C D E F G.
So let's open the book and find out what's missing. Let's go! What should we learn today? Should we go with the alphabets?
No, it's not alphabet.
How about the colors? We already did the colors.
Yeah.
Alright, what about... Oh my god! Where are the shapes?
It's good again.
They are missing! I think I saw Gabby with a bag full of shapes.
What?
Yes, let's call her. Wait a minute. Here's the phone.
I'm gonna call it.
Call her, ask her where's the shapes.
Gabby, we need the missing shapes.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Here she comes. There is Gabby with a bag full of shapes. Thank you, Gabby. Wow, all the shapes are here. Thank you, Gabby.
You're welcome.
See you later.
Bye bye.
Very good. Now, first we need to take it out. How are we gonna take it out of the book, Gigi?
Open it.
Okay. Read. And now it's out. Very good. And now, let's open the bag with full of shapes. And uh-oh, it's not opening.
We need to make it harder.
There you go. Alright, let's start with the first shape. The first shape is... Wow.
What is it?
What is this shape?
It's an oval.
It's almost like oval, but it's not. It's ellipse.
Ellipse.
Yes.
But
Alright, where does it go?
But my lips are blue.
Not lips. Ellipse.
Ellipse.
Yep, you can see it here. Ellipse.
Ellipse.
Okay. And the next shape is my turn. Alright, I'm gonna choose a random one. And ta-da!
What is this?
What is this shape? Can you tell me?
It's a hexagon.
Hexagon! That's correct. It's hexagon. Goes over here. Hexagon. How many sides does the hexagon have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides.
Yeah,
A hexagon has a 6 side. Yay! Now it's your turn, Gigi. The next shape is
It's circle.
circle. Very good. I like it.
One's eye.
Yes, that's correct. Where does the circle go here?
Over here.
That's correct. Circle. Very good. Alright. How many sides does the circle has?
1, 2, 3, 1.
0. There's no side. It's round.
Round things.
Yeah.
Who doesn't like round things?
I have no idea.
But you love square.
Cool. Alright. The next shape is... Ta-da!
What is that?
What is this? How many sides does this have?
It's a...
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know, it's a pentagon. A pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. That is correct.
There's the hexagon.
Pentagon.
But we need
Very
8
good. Gigi, it's your turn.
Alright.
The next shape is...
What is that?
Show me. Wow, it's so beautiful. What
It's
is
a
this?
flower.
That's correct. It's a flower. Where does the flower go?
Oh
That's right. Flower. Beautiful. Alright. Whose turn is it?
yeah.
My turn? Okay. The next shape is... Ta-da!
Oh,
What is that? Is it a circle?
no.
Let's have a circle. What is that?
It's a hexagon.
No.
What is this?
I got it. It's a semicircle.
Semicircle.
That's right. A semicircle.
Semicircle.
Yeah, it's a half circle. Very beautiful. All right, Gigi, it's your turn. The next shape is. Uh-oh.
Oops. I forgot. What is this shape?
Show me. Wow, it's so beautiful. What is this shape? Heart. That is correct.
I love you.
Yeah, that's me and I love you. I love you, Gigi. Heart. Very beautiful.
It's not I love you.
Alright, my turn. The next shape is. Ta-da!
What is this?
It's a star!
It's in the moon.
It's a star! Beautiful!
Night.
Do you know the song about the star?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
How I wonder what you are. Very good. Alright, your turn, Gigi. The next shape is.
What is this shape?
Show me. Alright, let's count how many sides. Then we know the shape. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides. What is that? A triangle! Triangle has 3 sides. Very good.
Square.
A triangle.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Alright, now the next shape is. Ta-da!
Huh?
What is this shape? A rectangle! Very good. Let's put it over here. Rectangle. Alright. The next shape is. Gigi, it's your turn.
What is this shape? I know it's a square.
Show me. Square! Very good.
It's 4.
How many sides does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's count them. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4. That's right, Gigi. 4 sides. Square has 4 sides.
9.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
4 equal sides. Alright, square. And for the final shape, we have. Diamond! Beautiful! Very good. Now we have all the shapes. Let's go through all the shapes one by one. Circle, star, heart, a triangle, diamond, rectangle, square, ellipse, a flower, semicircle, a pentagon, and finally, hexagon. If you like this video and you want to see more, please support us by hitting the like button and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next one. Bye bye!